we look forward to justice being served in this circuit for many years to come. I wish you all journey masses as we turn back to your home.
Kooti eno kusazaamu ngende ze zibadde mpanvu abantu ze batambula.
My Lord, allow me to proceed. Buikwe. Thank you for appreciating our people when you tell us our Justice Kagoya. My Lord, you have heard that.
Present, my Lord, the resident judge of Lugazi and Mukono, religious leaders present, representatives for the public. My Lord, we recall your promise that you made last year during your visit. Commission representative, the office of the ODPP, members of the bar, members of the civil society. This marks the first launch in your office as the Chief Justice. This comes as Shabe Prosi, and I'm the Registrar High Court representing our worship Pamela Lamuno, the Acting Chief Registrar of the
Acting representative of the Acting Chief Registrar to make her remarks. In turn, she will invite
here in Lugazi. I've been in Kakumiro for Thursday, Bugenze, but also today we came for
remarks. And my Lord, you will also invite the Honorable Principal Judge.
To the judicial officers and the judiciary staff, you are the face of judiciary in this region. Your conduct must be defined by integrity, impartiality, empathy, efficiency, and effectiveness. Public trust is our only currency. A bribe taken by the judicial officer or a support staff of whatever rank in the judiciary is a stain on the robe of the Chief Justice. Always remember that if we lose the confidence of the people, whether through corruption or delayed rulings, unnecessary adjournments, lack of customer care, or absenteeism, and late coming or leaving early, this court will mean nothing. We are strengthening the inspectors of courts in our internal disciplinary committee and the Judicial Service Commission to weed out those who view the theme of justice as a marketplace or making plans. As a judiciary, we make only approved plans before we can build. Normally, approved plans are approved on the basis of the title. So when we don't have the title, we can hardly start building. So I thought that I should make that clear. That's why we always look for the title. For you, we're saying that we have red tape. It's not red tape, it's a legal requirement we follow. Now for Buvuma, since you gave us enough land, we are even going to construct residences for judicial officers on the same land. So that when we send judicial officers there, they should stay there. They shouldn't use an excuse that we have nowhere to stay, we are staying in Lugazi. So we shall combine both the housing and the court. So we shall put you on the next program, since now the title is ready. Definitely starting from the next financial, if we get money, we should be able to start with you and construct a court.
We implore the local government to follow the heat and make sure that we get land where the judiciary can have a permanent home within this circuit. Prison facilities, we have one prison located at Lugazi prison in the municipality. This is not secure enough to house capital offenders. This means that our inmates are scattered in all the prisons in Uganda. They pick them from Luzira, Makshon Bay, Italia, Mukono, Jinja. I've had 2 high court circuits successfully handled since I came here. But after we finalize the cause list, that is when they collect them. And Jinja remand graciously allows them to be hosted there during the time when they are being tried. We thank them for that. But I think prisons also needs to up its game. You have a high court now, and make sure that we have a prison which is secure enough to keep the capital offenders within the closest. I appreciate the setting up of the court. We received the furniture where the judicial officers are sitting, and in the court hall, the benches where the court users are sitting. We now have all that, and we thank you so much for your tireless effort to make sure that they reach us. But we still need virtual court recording equipment. At the moment, we are still waiting to receive the audio, video, and transcribing equipment. Currently, we have to write or to type, depending on the pace and speed of each judicial officer. And we believe that this should be done as soon as possible so that our move towards the paperless case file system doesn't become a myth when we have to handwrite our proceedings, and that takes quite a long time. The internet services we have are already available, but it is still low, and sometimes it is very, very slow and on and off, which sometimes frustrates the hearings and the litigants. We need desktop routers for each of the judicial officers to boost the network.
Be guided by this constitution. So my lord, here you are. Then the symbol of authority in the High Court is the seal. When you get a document from court, it must have something called a seal. So my lord, here you are. So with those two instruments, we have launched the court. I declare the court launched. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Buvuma. Thank you, Buvuma.
Buvuma District Council yasalawo newa zetwawa aba judiciary okusimbawo kooti ekitongole kya kooti era ettaka lino twaliwa ye Nairambi nga twawaayo ettaka 5 era ekyapa nga kiri mu mannya ga Uganda Land Commission nga twakiwa gavumenti naye ne tuteekamu ng'era ne judiciary Uganda Land Commission stroke judiciary nga twagala bazimbe kooti kubanga ebuvuma kooti weetuula twebaza obwakabaka bwa Buganda etuula ku mbuga ofisi yamu.
Nze Saalongo Richard Ssenteza, omubaka omulonde owa Lugazi municipality, ate era munnamateeka omukukutivu mu ggwanga lyaffe lino Uganda. Ekigendererwa ky'okutongoza kooti eno enkulu kwe kuleeta services okuliraana abantu. Ebiseera biri twawolezanga Jjinja okusooka emisango gy'emukono ne Buvuma ne Buikwe okiriwala. Kooti esembedde wano era twebaza ekitongole ekiramuzi okutulowoozaako ne kituwa kooti.
Lugazi kitwanguyizibwa nnyo ne bakirante baffe okufuna obwenkanya. Naffe bennyini baloya okubeera nga tusobola okwasaganya emisango emirala ejja Jjinja n'emukono ne mu Buikwe ye Lugazi weeri okusinga nga we bubadde. Kuba tubadde tuzibuwalirwa nnyo emisango egiri emukono ate nga gisapozed obeera Lugazi ate gisapozed obeera Buvuma. Ne kati kituwadde enkizo nti mukono yeetengeredde ng'ayikooti ne Lugazi yeetengeredde ng'ayikooti.